Hey guys, it's Mickey here. Welcome back to my channel. Another unboxing video today. So let's see what's inside. I recently got this package around 2 days ago. I wasn't at home. So the package is from Draco London. I'm really curious about it. Wow. Nice, really nice packaging. Wow. That's something professional. Just a little bit hard to get to the watch itself. So 2 boxes here. This is the main one. It looks good actually. And here it comes. Oh yeah. Wow. Here is the watch from Draco London. It looks incredible. Seiko Mecha Quartz chronograph watch. The leather strap feels really good. Draco on the clasp. Butterfly clasp. Yeah. Draco hybrid chronograph. Sapphire crystal. Yeah. And 100-meter water resistance. The case is nicely polished. The buttons are good. They are working good. Yeah. It's a really quality piece, and I really like the design. Actually, my favorite creatures are dragons, so this one is a must piece for me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.